When you're sending out a form or an email to a customer to complete something, you can edit those emails or that email message that goes out to that client. Here, under Email Manager, under your reservation emails, there's your list of current email actions. Go up here to the three little dots. The Edit Forms email is the message that they will get when you send them a form, whether it's a credit card authorization form, maybe it's a cancellation form. This system should feel familiar to you. This is how we build those emails. So you will just edit this however you want. Don't forget to hit save. That's for forms. And then the other one is for the invitation email, and that would be when you are inviting a client into Vacation Creations for them to fill out their own information. So again, you can change this, add images, pictures, buttons, whatever you would like to do. Again, hit save and close. And then that way, when you go in here to the invite new customer and you fill out that information for them, name, email address, and hit this invite, then they will get that email invitation that you just set up underneath the Email Manager reservation emails. Three little dots right there. Super easy.